Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are here with a new experiment video. Let's get into the video how to do this experiment.
What's required to do this experiment is soap powder. I have taken Tide. You can take any soap powder that is available at your home. A glass tumbler. We'll have to fill water in this tumbler. Turmeric powder, half a lime and spoon to mix this.
Let's see how to do this experiment. First we pour water in the tumbler. Next we put turmeric powder in the tumbler. Pour as how much you want and mix it. Make it into an orange juice. Mix it well till it become into yellow in color. This liquid is yellow in color. Now we'll see the reaction. Now
After adding soap powder.
Guys, we are going to put the Tide soap powder into the orange juice.
Now see
you can see the color changing into red, yellow to red.
Soap changes the turmeric into red color, as the turmeric contains tartaric acid while the soap contains sodium hydroxide base. So this becomes now red color from yellow color. Now we are going to change this back to yellow color.
Great.
For changing this into yellow color, I will be squeezing the lime.
So now I'm going to squeeze.
I'll squeeze this half a lime. And see the reaction. You all can see the reaction.
Coming in the top yellow in color.
Now see the top of the liquid is yellow color and the bottom is red color. Now when we say mix it up,
it come back.
This changes back to yellow color.
Grape juice to lemon juice.
Then when you add this lemon juice contains acid, you can add lemon juice or vinegar. It neutralizes and turns back into yellow color. So this is the turmeric and soap lime experiment. Hope you all enjoyed watching this video. Please subscribe and comment your experience in the comment box below.
Guys, thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, comment in the comment box. And please subscribe our channel and click the bell button to get more videos and see our live videos. So bye.